Yes, I'm following.
Did you understand?
Yes.
So we come to the logic operators. So we use logic operators to perform different logics, to check if a certain number qualifies, or certain values or certain strings qualify a certain logic. Like the way we say here, the PHP logical operators are used to combine conditions. When you have more than one condition and want to check if the certain condition is valid or not valid, then we take use of what? Of logic operators. So if one check if two conditions are the same, exactly the same, we use AND. If one check one of them is the same, use OR. If one check none of them is same, use XOR. And we can as well use AND as this and this, they are the same, and this one and this are the same, then not is not, it means that what is not true. So let us assume that we want to check if a certain value is exactly the same. We want to express the what? We want to express the AND. So to express the AND, again, we shall need a what? We shall need some logic that is going to be a little bit ahead of us of what we've covered before. So let me save this new as a new file. So I'm going to change this one to what? To 9. I'll put there, save. So I'm going to come back and change this one to new file. Okay, so there we are. So I'm going to check if two conditions are the same. So how do we do that? So we combine two logic operations. Assume that we are having A is equal to 20. I'm going to create here another value, and B is equal to 21, and C is equal to 20. So, and let me put here another value, D. So we want to put two conditions together. I mean, two conditions together. So to put two conditions together, to combine condition, we use what? We use logical values. So I'm going to check if A is equal to B and A is equal to C. So to do that, I'll just simply say if A is equal to both of A and B and C. To do that, I'll first do like that, write if, and then I put here my first bracket, and the first bracket is going to contain the first condition. And if I want to put another condition, remember we can either use the word AND as is specified here, or we can use this AND sign, two of them, okay, and then put the equal sign, I mean the second condition there. So here it will be executed in case it is the condition here, it will be executed in case this condition is satisfied. So how do you check? Okay, so here I'll put the first condition. I can say if A is equal to what? Is equal to B. So and you understand the meaning of and? It means that these two conditions must be satisfied for them to do what? To execute the third part, to execute this part. And A is equal to what? Is equal to B. So if these two are not equal, if these two conditions are not satisfied, then this bracket won't be executed. Okay? So let me put here what is supposed to be executed. A, I'm just going to say the value of A, and then put is both equal to the value of B and the value of C. So it means that we have to put here what? We have to put C. So the value of C. So this let me put here else and execute the else part and move here the else. So I'll put here just not equal. So it means that this one will only be executed if A is both equal to B at the same time is equal to C, then the first part will be executed. And then or else it will execute the second part. So let us go and refresh. But you know the value of A is what? The value of C is 20, and the value of B is what? Is 20. So let us go and refresh. Can you see? The value of A, 20 is not equal. Okay, 20 is not. Okay, 20 is both. Let me first fix this one. Okay, to A is both equal to this and this. Okay, so can you see? 20 is both, is not. Let me remove this. Is not equal to both. Okay, yeah, that's the English that has problem. Okay, so you can see 20 is not equal to both 21 and 20. So it has executed this second one, which is correct. 21 is not equal to both of these. But if I make C also 21, I mean if I make so here it's checking A, is A equal to 20? Let's first see the first condition. Is A equal to 20? So what does it mean? Is 20 equal to B? The B is 21. This condition is not true, so it will not proceed. But is 20, A is 20 equal to C, and C is 20? So this condition is true, but this one is the one that is defying the law. So if I make this one also 20, so it means that the condition will be true, because both A and both A equal to 20 to B, it will be true because both of A and B is 20. At the same time, both A and C is equal to 20. So it means that this condition, the first one, will be executed. So if I come and refresh, so you can see 20 is both equal to 20 and 20. So programs don't make mistakes. So this one will be executed. But if one condition is nullified, then it will not be executed. I can as well keep this one as 21, and then I put here not. So it means that A is not equal to 20. Of course this is true, because B is, is A not equal to B? Of course this is true, because B is 21 and A is 20. So A is not equal to 20, so this is true. Then is A not equal to C? So this is true. Is A equal to C? This is true, because 20 is equal to 20. So if I come and refresh here, you'll see the first bracket. Don't mind about the what is written, but the first bracket has been executed. So that's how we combine conditions. I can as well combine another condition by using these logical operations. Okay, so I can as well use or. So to use the or, I'm going to copy this and comment. So to comment, I comment this. I don't want to delete it because I'm going to share this code in the description of this video, so that you can be able to download it in case you want to practice along. So I'm commenting so that you can follow along and see. So what I'm going to do here,